Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be recreating my go-to look anytime when I spend way too much time on makeup and I don't have enough time to do my hair. This is my go-to hairstyle. This is my Pinterest inspired messy bun for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys this quick and easy tutorial. Anybody can do this. If I can do this, you can do this, because I don't really like to do hair. I love to do makeup and all that, but hair is just not my thing. This video will save you. Also, for all my moms out there who just need to be out the door, they don't got time to do anything, they just need to just put the hair up. This is for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So for this, all you're gonna be needing is a brush. I have this one. This is the wet to dry brush with a lot of hair on it. I like this brush too. This is also to like smooth it out. A teasing comb, because you're gonna tease a little bit of it. Some hairspray. I have this little guy right here by Bedhead. Try not to use too much on the, you know, because it's already color treated. Oh, and this bun is also good if you have short hair. So I do have shorter hair right now. And if you wake up and your hair looks like this, girl, you need to put this video on and you need to do your hair like this. Like section off a section of it. And just you just want to grab your teasing brush and just tease the back just a little bit. You just kind of twist it how I did. Do like a little pump, get your little bobby pins, and you just want to pin this guy down. This honestly is freestyle. You're gonna see that it comes out different every single time. That's what I like about it, because it's never gonna look the same. It's always gonna look like you have a new hairstyle. Then we want to just put our hair up, something like this. Just kind of like smooth it out. I spent an hour and something doing this makeup and I have no time to do this hair because we gotta be out the door, girl. See, bun. So you just want to wrap your hair around. And then we're gonna grab our hair tie. Kind of wrap it like a little donut. I'm gonna wrap it 3 times. The part where you get creative and you start to pull your hair and just create that messy bun. So you want to pull from the back, from the sides. You see how this part right here is like that? It's okay if it comes out of the bun. We're gonna go ahead and pin that guy down and just make him look like he was there the whole time, but he wasn't. He fell out of the party. So kind of brushing it down. There we go, girl. There we go. Okay, it feels like it's pretty secure. Okay, now what we want to do is, if you feel like, I feel like this guy's a little too high, so I just want to bring him down. Just kind of put a pin right here. Just gonna go ahead and brush up the sides a little bit. Kind of pull little hairs on the side. Because again, even though I kind of slicked it up, I want it to still look a little messy. Right here. There we go. All right, guys, so we're ready for a little bit of spray. Spray some on my fingertips and just kind of like brush. You can spray a little bit like that, and then I just kind of like work it up with my nails. Just distributing that. You can spray your bun too if you want. This works honestly better if your hair is a little dirty, girl. This is my quick and easy hairstyle to get you out the door in less than 10 minutes. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Click that thumbs up. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Like me and my girl say, bye. I'm coming.